This presentation provides an overview of the Victorian Auditor-General's report, Universities 2015 Audit Snapshot. The university sector, comprised of the 8 Victorian universities, generated a net surplus of $509.1 million for the year to 31 December 2015. This continues a strong financial result for the sector, which has generated similar surpluses in each of the past 5 years. We have assessed the sector as having a low financial sustainability risk. However, our review has identified some longer-term risks regarding capital renewal. 5 of the 8 universities have recently built or are now building new student accommodation. Most of these buildings are now in use. This expenditure on new assets is potentially masking a lack of spending on replacement assets, and the sector is facing the longer-term risk that its asset base is not being replaced or renewed in a timely manner. Over time, this may result in some assets not being fully fit to provide the services required. For the financial year ending 31 December 2015, Parliament and the public can have confidence in the financial reports of 6 universities and 44 controlled entities who received clear audit opinions for their 2015 financial reports. 7 controlled entities had not finalised their financial reports at the time of preparing this report. 2 universities received modified financial audit opinions. Both Deakin University and the University of Melbourne again received qualified audit opinions due to their treatment of grant funding, which did not comply with the Australian accounting standards. The universities have not resolved this issue in almost 10 years. The Australian Accounting Standards Board is currently considering a new accounting standard for the treatment of income by not-for-profit entities, and universities will be expected to implement the new standard. During the audits, we raised 60 high and medium risk issues relating to the control environments at the 8 universities, with 38% of these relating to the IT control framework in place across the sector. Additionally, universities had not resolved 29% of the issues raised by VARGO in prior years. Universities should aim to resolve these issues as soon as possible to reduce the risk of undetected fraud and error occurring. Victorian universities are looking to expand their engagement overseas in a number of ways, including through overseas-based courses that are offered through partnership institutions and overseas campuses. At 31 December 2015, 41,136 students were enrolled in Victorian universities in 16 countries outside Australia. It is important that the university councils based in Victoria maintain appropriate oversight of these ventures to realise expected benefits and to mitigate the risks to the university. This oversight can be improved, particularly regarding the identification and management of reputational and other risks. We made 4 recommendations aimed at ensuring that audit findings are addressed and that universities' physical assets are sufficiently maintained. We also addressed issues that may arise from offering courses overseas. We recommend that universities better manage the risks this may create and take steps to ensure they are realising the benefits expected from overseas activities. For further information, please see the full report of this audit on our website, www.audit.vic.gov.au.